All of microbiology is quite interesting because it's such small entities having such a big effect on humans and human life and the way that we all interact with everything. It really ties into the evolution of life, and I think it's really interesting just as a whole theory.
Degree course is appropriate for those who had studied biological sciences, biochemistry, or any of the molecular sciences at A level.
I enjoyed biology a lot at school, and I was reading newspaper articles about genetics and antibiotic resistance, and I thought, this is really interesting, I'd like to go and do this.
I found it more interesting that sort of smaller organisms, like especially bacteria, they're a lot more simple, but they can do far more than we can, with less, essentially.
I just came in for the open day and it just really just clicked with me.
I got such a good feeling from the day that I thought, this is where I want to be for the next 3 or 4 years.
I really liked the campus, really liked the course, everyone seemed really friendly.
I started microbiology and I thought, yeah, this is what I want to do.
The first year everyone sort of gets brought up to the same level, so people who didn't do the same levels sort of have the same idea.
I didn't do chemistry A level, so that was really good for me because I had no idea really the molecular side of things.
Some of the modules, my favourite one was Introduction to Microbiology for obvious reasons.
Genetic engineering.
General biology, so sort of cell biology, like respiration, metabolism.
Immunology.
Virology.
There was a tissues module.
Immunology and bacteriology.
They do have some flexibility to choose a discovery module.
The freedom was there to choose something that was either related or completely unrelated if you wanted something like that.
And in the second year, you have a little bit more flexibility and choice. In the third year, we basically take the reins, we let you off the lead. We have these things called advanced topic units, which are highly specialized, short modules, and the students are in charge. They go and they pick which ones that they want to do. Most, if not all, of the lecturers that are lecturing the students are active researchers.
And that passion comes across.
We are world-leading researchers that are actively publishing in our field.
So they'll sort of sometimes bring up stuff they've been working on, or papers they've written, which can be great for wider reading or just generally understanding stuff.
So we're up to date on the most recent advances in our respective fields, and we're relaying that information, that cutting-edge information, to students in our modules that we teach.
I think in the labs it's been really good. Like, I've been holding a pipette or plating out something and I think, this is what I want to do, and I'm actually doing it.
It actually feels like we're doing really good science.
You're getting taught in the lectures the theory and then you go and do it.
It all just meshes together when you start to revise. You're like, oh, I remember doing this in lab.
By doing it, you can really see, oh, so it completely makes sense because it all ties in, there's logic behind it, and it really reinforces the learning.
So we have demonstrators, which are PhD students working on the field that we're working on.
When you're just sort of stuck, you're just kind of in labs and you're getting a bit stressed, like, I have no idea what I'm doing, they will just come along and sort of show you it, and they'll be nice about it. You know, sort of, they'll understand that they were there once.
And everything you need is there for you. It's got centrifuges. The pipettes are professional grade. It was really good to see an actual confocal microscope, which is something that is used in pretty much all research that's going on at the moment to do with cells.
The university just invested £17 million to fund the new biostructure laboratory, which is going to house 2 new cryo-electron microscopes. We're at the bleeding edge of technology here. Pushing back the frontiers of science each and every day. I mean, that's the thing that gets me up in the morning.
I'm actually working towards something that can help and change the world.
It's made me more of a confident person, more of a rounded person.
You meet people who have the same interests with you and want to try hard, so you kind of bounce off each other.
The teaching's been fantastic.
I think it's a great experience.
Just come and have a look if you get the opportunity. Have a look at the labs, look at some of the work that people do.
It's been definitely the best 2 years of my life so far. It's been fantastic.
I want to work in research, I want to help people, so let's go and do it.